Hey, this is Kevin from the Lincolnwood Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple edible slime recipe and explain just kind of some basics behind what we're doing. So typically we don't make edible slime at the library, and the reason is primarily because we don't have a microwave. So that is one of the things that you will use. But other than that, edible slime is actually pretty simple. You need three main ingredients. The first one is marshmallows. The second is any kind of cooking oil. And then the third is cornstarch. And the cornstarch is going to be our activator for the slime. So this is all you really have to do is you take the marshmallows, pour it into a bowl. However many you want, it's just going to lead to however much slime you want. So that's really up to you. It doesn't really matter the type of marshmallow because you're actually going to just be stirring it all together. So big or small, it really doesn't matter. And then you're going to add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. So not a ton. And then you are going to microwave it. Typically, I would start with about 30 seconds for a microwave, and then depending on how powerful your microwave is, you might want to do it a little bit longer. Typically, between 30 and 45 seconds is probably good, just enough that you can mix it and that it's hot and everything is kind of melting together. So after you've done that, then you add about a half tablespoon full of cornstarch, and then you start mixing it. So you're going to add the cornstarch after you've already microwaved it, after it's hot, and probably after it's mixing. If you've made slime before, you know there's a ton of mixing and kind of working the slime as you go, and the same is the case here. And after that, the cornstarch is the activator, so the more cornstarch you add, the more it's going to kind of harden and get into that kind of perfect slime consistency that you really want. So that's really what you're going to want to shoot for. And so feel free to add a little bit more if you're stirring and stirring and it's just not kind of transforming into that slime. And then finally, you can add food coloring or anything else as long as it's edible. And then you have perfectly edible, awesome marshmallow slime. All right, enjoy.